Dear students, up till now we studied the theory and numericals of the chapter number 2. Means we can say that we have completed chapter number 2. But as I told you, there is a one very important topic, capacitor. So we will do the more practice on capacitor. For the board point of view, we completed the capacitor. Now we will do the more practice of capacitor for the competitive examinations point of view, right? See, we will see the capacitor. First of all, we will do warm up. We know that the capacitance, first of all we will see the what is capacitor and capacitance. These are the two different words, capacitor and capacitance. Capacitor is the name of device, right? And capacitance is its property. Capacitance denoted by letter capital C. Capacitor is the name of device and capacitance is its property. As we have studied in standard 10, we are having a resistor. The name of device is resistor and its property is resistance. What is resistance? It opposes the current. The property of resistor to oppose the current, that is known as the resistance. In a similar way, what is capacitance? Capacitance means what? It is the charge storing device. The capacity of storing charge, that is known as the capacitance. Right? Capacitance denoted by letter capital C. The formula for capacitance C equal to, we know that is Q divided by V. This is known as the capacitance. The ratio of charge and voltage remains constant. That constant is known as the capacitance. Capacitance is measured in microfarad and picofarad. So farad is the unit of capacitance. Farad, microfarad, right? Picofarad. Micro means 10 to the power minus 6. Pico means 10 to the power minus 12, right? That we know that. See, what is the circuit symbol of capacitor? That is, these two parallel lines shows the circuit symbol of capacitor, right? Okay, the positive terminal, negative terminal, we can say that if we put the line over here, so it is known as the variable capacitor, correct? Next, see what are the formulas for capacitance. So C equal to Q by V is the basic formula. Capacitance C equal to epsilon 0 A by D is another formula for the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. When the two plates of capacitors, right, the air medium is present between the two plates of the capacitor. So at that time we will write epsilon 0. A is the area of each plate. These are the plates. First plate, second plate. These plates having area equal to A. The distance between distance between the two plates is known as the small d. In this case, the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor will be epsilon 0 A by D. If there is another medium is present having dielectric constant K, at that time we use the formula C equal to epsilon. Instead of epsilon 0, we will write epsilon because epsilon is the permittivity of given medium. Epsilon A by D. But what we know that epsilon divided by epsilon 0 equal to K, dielectric constant. So epsilon equal to, we will write epsilon 0 into K. So this C equal to, we can write epsilon 0 K A divided by D. When the presence of dielectric medium, we have the formula C equal to epsilon A by D, or we can write epsilon 0 K A by D. This is the formula for capacitance of parallel plate capacitor when there is a presence of different medium. Why we are introducing a medium inside the two parallel plate capacitors, right? We are introducing a dielectric medium, suppose. Why? What is the reason behind it? To increase the capacitance of the capacitor. To increase the capacitance of capacitor, we have to put another medium. By introducing another medium, we can increase the capacitance of the capacitor, right? Okay. And another formula, that is C dash equal to C into K, right? This is also a capacitance of a new capacitor, right? In this way, these are the very important formulas regarding the capacitance of the capacitor. Okay, see, now we are going to do the practice on the basis of this capacitor, right? See, suppose we are having a capacitor like this, right? And there is a medium, right? Up to this, suppose this is the D is the separation between the two plates, and suppose up to the D by 2, there is another medium. Suppose dielectric constant of this medium is K1, and suppose there is another medium up to the next D by 2, the dielectric medium is K2. Dielectric constant for this medium is different, right? And for this medium is different. So the question is, find out the equivalent capacitance of the given capacitor. This is the question for you, right? Simply, first of all, we will calculate, or we will simplify this diagram like this. Up to this we can consider capacitor number 1, and up to this we can consider a capacitor number 2. So by simplifying this diagram, we can draw by simplifying this diagram, we will draw like this. This separation is a D by 2. A is the area of the plate. It is the area of plate, right? This is the also area of plate. Right? So here dielectric constant is K1. This is the first capacitor. This is the second capacitor. This is second capacitor. Right? This is second capacitor. Again, having distance between them is D by 2. Dielectric medium is K2. Area of each plate is same. A is the area of the plate. This is the first capacitor having capacitance C1. The second capacitor having capacitance is C2. Now, first of all, we will calculate the value of C1 and C2. As we know that the value of C, from this basic formula, we will calculate the C1 and C2, or we have already used this formula, right? See, what is C1 over here? C1 equal to basic formula epsilon 0 A by D. This is the general formula, but here the dielectric medium is kept, so that's why we will write only epsilon A by D, right? What is epsilon? But epsilon equal to what? Epsilon 0 K. So here K is K1, so we will put C1 equal to epsilon 0 K1. A is remains as it is, area of plate does not change, and D is changed over here. D is what? D by 2, right? So we will write D by 2. This is the value of C1. Similarly, we will calculate C2. What is C2? Again we will write basic formula epsilon 0 A by D. Instead of epsilon, we will write epsilon 0, we will write instead of epsilon 0 we will write only epsilon, right? And the value of epsilon is what? Epsilon 0 into k1, right? Here it is k2 for the second capacitor, right? A remains as it is. What is D? That is D by 2. So D by 2. So this is the equation number 1, right? This is the equation number 2. From the diagram, what we can say that the C1 and C2 are in series. So what is the equivalent capacitance of these two capacitors? That will write C equivalent equal to C1 dot C2 divided by C1 plus C2, right? So writing the values, what is C1? C1 equal to, we will write 2 into epsilon 0 k1 into A, right? Two into epsilon 0 k A divided by D. 2 epsilon 0 k1 into A by D dot. What is C2? That is epsilon 0 k2 A into 2, right, divided by this D. What is C1 plus C2? What is C1? 2 epsilon 0 k1 A by D. Next, epsilon 0 k2 A 2 divided by D. Taking the common thing outside, upper side will remain as it is. See, the upper term remains as it is. 2 epsilon 0 k1 A by D dot 2 into epsilon 0 k2 into A divided by D. Here we can take common. What we can take common? See, 2 will be outside. 2 epsilon 0 A by D will outside. So k1 plus k2 will outside. Correct? See, epsilon 0 A D, epsilon 0 A D. Correct? So we are going to erase these formulas. What we can obtain over here? See, 2 remains as it is. 2 remains as it is. 2 into 2 becomes these 2. These 2 also get cancelled. Only the 2 epsilon 0, right, k1 k2, right, into A we can write 2 epsilon 0 A k1 dot k2. This remaining in downside there is a inside the bracket k1 by k2 remains. Correct? So in this way 2 epsilon 0 A by this D, right? So this D we can write over here the k1 dot k2 divided by k1 plus k2. Also we can write 2 epsilon 0 A by D 1 by k1 plus 1 by k2 we can write. So this is your final equation, right? Now the question arises, what will happen if we separate, suppose number of separations are there, instead of k1, k2, k3, k4, k5 up to the kn, what will we do? So here simply 2 epsilon 0 A by D 1 by k1 plus 1 by k2 plus 1 by k3 plus 1 by k4 up to 1 by kn we can write, right? For the n separation, right? Generalizing this equation we can write C equivalent equal to, here we will write n, right? Instead of 2 we will write n, epsilon 0 a by d for the n terms, right? 1 by k1 plus 1 by k2 plus 1 by k3 plus we can write 1 by kn we can write. Correct? So in this way we can do this numerical, right? So now I am giving you a next numerical. So you just concentrate, see the procedure how we did this. Now we will do the next numerical, second numerical. See. Okay, see, we are having a capacitor like this. This is the capacitor. The separation between them is D, right? The separation is now like this. Suppose the capacitor is divided over here. Here it is a by 2 and here it is a by 2. Area of plate is now divided. The K1 and K2 are the dielectric medium of the first and second medium. K1 and K2 is the dielectric constants of the first medium and second medium. Simply what we will do over here, see how we can simplify the diagram. This is the first capacitor, this is the second capacitor. So this is the first capacitor and now it is a second capacitor in this way, right? So C1 is the first capacitance of first capacitor, C2 is the capacitance of the second capacitor. Separation is D only, here also separation is D, but the area of capacitor is A by 2. Area of capacitor is A by 2. Now how will you solve this, right? These two capacitors are in parallel. What is the value of C1? C1 equal to what? Epsilon 0 A by D is your general equation. So what we will write instead of epsilon? We will write epsilon 0 K1. Instead of A we will write A by 2 and the separation is D only. So we will write D. This is the capacitance of the first capacitor. What is C2? General formula epsilon 0 A by D. What is epsilon 0? Epsilon 0 K2. What is A? A by 2 and D remains and this is the number 2. Now these two capacitors are in parallel. So C equivalent equal to what? C1 plus C2. Now it is a homework for you. Put the value of C1 and C2 and get the answer. So you can do this. In the next video we will do the more practice on this capacitor. This is the one of the type, right? It is the one of the type. We will see the other types of numericals. Thank you, students.